Okay, I'm building a project and I have to make some little mission style pegs with a little pyramid top. I'm going to demonstrate how to make these. Got the belt sander set up here with a board set at 22.5 degrees, and we're just going to rotate this around and feed that into the belt to make the little pyramid. Taking a scrap piece of wood and cutting some test holes with the mortiser, so we have a perfect 3/8 square hole. Then when we assemble this project I'm doing, these are going to be screw holes, and these are going to cover the screws.